The United States Geological Survey has come forward and announced that over 110 earthquakes hit the park. This has caused some to speculate whether the volcano is awakening. One of these large earthquakes occurred in Idaho. It's important to note that Yellowstone spreads into this region, so it's a priority that these earthquakes are logged and tracked. This happened on the 1st of April. It's reported that people felt the tremors as far as Canada. Interestingly, researchers from the US Geological Survey said they're coming in waves, and that they were able to track them throughout the month of March, saying that the biggest swarms happened between the 5th of March and the 14th. However, they did continue until the end of the month. Researchers from the US Geological Survey said the following: "There's been 3 eruptions of the steamboat during this time. It's been an eventful month for seismic activity in the western USA, with a magnitude 5.7 earthquake near Salt Lake City, Utah on March the 18th, and a magnitude 6.5 earthquake in central Idaho on the 31st of March. These earthquakes are caused by tectonic extension of the region, and are not related to Yellowstone, nor will they have a significant impact on the Yellowstone system. Some strong earthquakes in the region, like the 1983 magnitude 6.9 Barra Peak and 1959 magnitude 7.3 earthquakes, have impacted geyser behavior, but that is due to the response of the shallow and fragile geyser channel shaking. It's not clear if the magnitude 6.5 earthquake in central Idaho will have a similar impact. Observations of geyser activity over the coming days or weeks will help to answer that question. It's things like this that are making people worry about what's going on at Yellowstone. The volcano is being constantly monitored by the United States Geological Survey, and every so often they give us updates about what's going on. Researchers in 2014 were surprised when they discovered lots of gas was being released by Yellowstone, possibly thousands more than they expected. One of the lead scientists said the following: "We had a moment where we realized that that's a lot of crustal helium coming out of Yellowstone, far more than we would have predicted." Interestingly, last year the United States Geological Survey predicted that a large earthquake would hit the region, and it seems that that prediction came true. Due to all the earthquakes, it's told scientists there could have been a tectonic shift happening underneath Yellowstone. 2019 was a busy year at the Yellowstone National Park. With all this activity, it's led scientists to speculate that the largest supervolcano in the world might be about to erupt. Data has shown that in the past 12 months over 200 earthquakes hit Yellowstone. Another piece of news to come out of Yellowstone last year was that over 50 seismic trackers around Yellowstone picked up on tremors. Another study has shown researchers that the Yellowstone volcano is sitting on top of a hotspot. This means that every so often magma will start to rise to the surface. Rather worryingly, scientists have said that should an earthquake occur, it could take less than 2 weeks before a catastrophic reaction is triggered. Researchers have said that if it did blow, it could set off a chain of events. It appears that the eruption of the Yellowstone Supervolcano would be roughly 10,000 times larger in estimated cubic kilometers than that of the eruption at Mount St. Helens, and would be roughly equivalent to 300,000 explosions the size of the atomic weapon dropped in Hiroshima. As of right now, researchers are keeping a close eye on their data. So what do you make of this recent update? And do you think the Yellowstone Supervolcano will erupt anytime soon? Be sure to let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and help us by growing this community while working to solve these unexplained mysteries. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.